you're interested in living on campus and wondering how to apply, this video is for you. Each year, the application will look a little different, but the process is pretty much the same. For more information about dates and deadlines, you can check out our website at hrl.uncg.edu or log into Artemis at artemis.uncg.edu. Speaking of Artemis, let me explain what Artemis is. Artemis is the housing portal for students. It's where you will find all kinds of housing information and processes. To log into Artemis, you must have set up your iSpartan account and waited 2 to 3 business days. This is because you use your iSpartan account credentials to log into Artemis. To log into Artemis, go to artemis.uncg.edu and enter your iSpartan credentials. Once you have logged into Artemis, you can complete the housing application. The housing application is 2 parts, the application preferences and the $200 prepayment. The housing application has several parts. Depending on the year, the order may be different and have different dates, but the applications all have the same things: building preferences, meal plan preferences, roommate matching questions, updating or creating your roommate group PIN, and agreeing to the housing contract. To update your building preference, you will select the buildings that you are eligible to be assigned. To select a building, you will click on the green plus sign, then the building you would like to request. This list of building preferences is used to assign you if you don't select a space during the self-assigned process. To update your meal plan preference, you will select a meal plan from the drop-down. The meal plan preference is used if you don't self-assign and are manually assigned to a space. You may not see all meal plans. Once your assignment is in UNC Genie, you will be able to see all the meal plans you are eligible for. For more information about meal plans, you can click on the Meal Plan Info button to learn more. To update your roommate matching questions, you will simply answer the questions honestly. These questions will be used to match you along with your building preferences to a space that fits your preferences best. Like the building and meal plan preferences, these questions will only be used to assign you if you don't select a space during the self-assigned process. To create or update your roommate group PIN, you will enter a 4 to 8 digit number. Your roommate group PIN is a password that you will share along with your university ID to your roommate request. They will use that during the group self-assigned process. If you share your roommate group PIN with a friend and then change your mind and don't want to live with them before the self-assigned process, you can change your roommate group PIN later in Artemis as well. Lastly, on the housing application, you will have to agree to the housing contract. Make sure you read and understand it. You must click on the assertions and then click the I agree button. Once you have submitted the application, you will be required to make a $200 prepayment in order to complete your housing application. The way the prepayment works is you make the $200 at the time of the application, and then that $200 is applied to your student account for spring if you're still living on campus. If you cancel at any time, you will forfeit the $200 and it will not be applied to your spring bill. Once you have done both parts, you are ready to be assigned. For more information about the application deadline and assignment process, visit the HRL website at hrl.uncg.edu or log into Artemis. Also, make sure you are checking your UNCG email daily for important housing updates.